All right, we're gonna do the Silver Moon Brewing Company. They're from Bend, Oregon. It's an IPA, 7% alcohol by volume, 75 IBUs. I really like the fucking picture on there, except for a little hippie van.
Yeah, just out camping.
Yeah,
in the woods.
Yeah, I don't know what the 97 is.
Highway 97?
Maybe?
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh yeah, there's a little highway sign, so I'm assuming that's probably it. Beautiful.
Look at the color.
Oh yeah, it's like a nice gold, very strong smelling.
Ooh, it's got that. It's got those tropical mango kind of hop notes that are in some. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it says tropical, fruit, and citrus zest flavors.
Bingo.
Yep.
That tropical to me is mango.
Yeah.
Stellar beer. They got some kind of weird fucking moon and star situation going on.
Yeah. Silver Moon Brewing, that's probably why.
There we go.
I already said that, but all right.
You've had a couple beers. Fuck you.
Beer of the Woods.
Yep. Yeah.
Our bar.
This is our bar.
Very powerful fucking flavor. I like it. Up front, it's like punches you and then it fades.
Malty though to finish.
It is, yeah.
Like you get the hop kind of balance and flavor up front, and then I get all malt at the end.
Mm-hmm.
How many IBUs? I want to say
75.
75.
Yeah.
Boy, it doesn't taste like it.
7%, yeah.
Yeah.
I picked this up not knowing who the fuck these guys were. I've never heard of them. And
That's a really nice IPA. I mean, I love the maltiness about it.
Mm-hmm.
Tons of hop character.
Yeah.
Right? And flavor. But, I mean, 75 IBUs, that's just for balance, man. This is a malty motherfucker.
Yeah.
This is good.
It is. Yeah.
It's kind of big, a little bit. How much booze is in there?
7.
God, it almost tastes more than that.
I know. It does, yeah.
Or seems
it does,
like maybe,
stronger a little bit. I'm really wanting to try more of these guys.
I'd love to see what these guys do with a stout.
Yeah. Look how dark it's gotten.
Yeah, it's
like a fresh honey.
Yeah, seriously dark gold, beautiful color.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I mean, with being as kind of rich and malty as this is, but having some of that hop character and flavor, fuck, this is versatile for... I mean, you could do red meat with this. You know, you could do smoked flank steak with this.
Filet mignon and fucking all sorts of good stuff.
Or like a wood-fired pizza with chicken and artichokes.
Yeah.
I mean, it could be... You can go either
The
way.
greens would be great. Artichokes.
Yeah.
Green
Brussels,
beans,
collards.
Brussels. Yeah,
oh, man. Asparagus tips.
Great. Yeah. Let's go good with some more spicier type of things like jambalaya. And,
yeah, even just some dirty rice with a lot of pepper in there, you know, that'd be good.
Mm-hmm. Fried chicken.
Real peppery fried chicken. I was just going there. Absolutely.
Cajun.
Yeah.
Even sausages.
Yeah, even
stuff,
fatty, rich stuff like sausages, especially like
bacon.
Long smoked, like a pit smoke type of thing.
Oh, yeah.
You know,
absolutely. Yeah, go more citrus like Florida, you know.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, some like richer fish, like you would do like a, you know, like a swordfish or like a black tip or something.
Mm-hmm.
Be good with some of this in the sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like what if you took some grapefruit and made like some brown butter, you know, some crushed grapefruit juice, crushed grapefruit like pith in there, you know, and some of this, and throw that over your swordfish, and maybe you charbroiled it so it was nice and clean and had some bitter greens underneath.
Pineapple.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, grilled.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any sort of like lemon glazed fish, chicken. I enjoyed drinking.
Very different, you know?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's the thing. It stands out from others, guys' beer. So
2 thumbs up.
Absolutely.
Yep.